The UNI-T UTI260B is an industrial thermal imager camera designed for temperature imaging and electrical maintenance applications. Here are some key features of the UNI-T UTI260B. HD thermal imaging. The thermal imager camera boasts a high-definition resolution of 256 x 192 pixels, providing detailed thermal images for accurate temperature readings. Industrial applications. Primarily designed for industrial applications, the UTI260B is suitable for tasks such as electrical maintenance, circuit diagnostics, and temperature monitoring in various industrial settings. Temperature measurement enables non-contact temperature measurement by capturing and visualizing thermal patterns. This is valuable for identifying hotspots, detecting abnormalities, and ensuring the proper functioning of electrical components. Compact and portable. The device is likely designed to be compact and portable, allowing users to carry it easily to different locations for on-the-spot thermal inspections. User interface. The UTI260B is expected to have a user-friendly interface that allows users to navigate through settings and capture thermal images efficiently. Electrical maintenance. Tailored for electrical maintenance tasks, the thermal imager helps professionals identify potential issues in electrical systems by visualizing temperature variations. Diagnostics and troubleshooting. Facilitates diagnostics and troubleshooting by providing thermal images that highlight temperature differences, which can be indicative of faults or inefficiencies. Quality build. Given its industrial focus, the device is likely built to withstand the demands of professional use in challenging environments. Temperature range. The imager may offer a wide temperature measurement range, allowing users to capture thermal data in various temperature conditions. UTI260B is an infrared thermal imager that combines surface temperature measurement and real-time thermal images, which is clearly displayed on the screen through the thermal imager. With infrared and visible light lenses, the temperature measurement range is 15 degrees centigrade 550 degrees centigrade 5 degrees F 1022 degrees Fahrenheit. To meet more measurement needs, thermal imaging pixels 256 x 192, 49,152 are easier to find. Abnormal temperature points. Built in, the high brightness illuminator adopts a new generation of sensor modules to ensure excellent infrared resolution and rich color palette modes, which can meet the requirements of multiple imaging shooting modes. Take pictures and store them to South Dakota card. PC software can be used for image analysis and processing to generate reports, and equipped with PC software real-time screen projection function with 1P65 protection level 2 meters drop resistance and durable.